Sanbona and welcome back to Mzansi Zulu Mama, where we celebrate Zulu language, food, and culture. Today we're starting with one of the most important parts of learning isiZulu. And this will also be a refresher for some of you because we have done most of these words. So today we'll be doing greetings and introductions because every conversation begins with a hello. In isiZulu, if you greet one person, you say sawubona. Sawubona, which means I see you. Now, if you're greeting more than one person, you say sanibona or sanibonani, which means I see you all. Now let's practice together. Repeat after me. Sawubona. Sawubona. If there's more than one person, we'll say sanibonani. Or you can shorten it and say sanibona. After saying hello, you'd want to ask how the person is doing, right? In isiZulu, we say to one person, unjani, unjani. And that's how are you? And to many people, you would say ninjani, ninjani, ninjani. How are you all? Now, here are the responses. Ngiyaphila, ngiyaphila. And that is I am well. Ngiyaphila. So you can try and do a role play with someone. You would say, sawubona, unjani? And the person would reply by saying, yebo, ngiyaphila. You can pause the video here and find someone that you can do role play with. To sound polite, there are some add-ons that you can use with your greetings. Like for sir, you would say mnumzane, mnumzane. And for madam is nkosazane. So for example, you would say sawubona mnumzane. Sawubona mnumzane. Or you would say sawubona nkosazane. Sawubona nkosazane. By adding these add-ons, you show respect, which is very important in Zulu culture. Here's how a full greeting conversation might sound. Person A would say, sawubona, unjani? And person B would say, ngiyaphila, wena unjani? Person A would say, ngiyaphila. Igama lami uThembi. And person B would say, igama lami uSipho. Ngiyajabula ukwazi. That's a full Zulu greeting and introduction exchange. It's simple, right? So, today you learned sawubona, sanbonani, unjani, ninjani, and how to reply with ngiyaphila. Language is not just words, it's connection. Next time you meet someone, try greeting them in isiZulu and watch their face light up. If you enjoyed this lesson, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with friends who want to learn isiZulu. Drop a comment, say sawubona to me, and I'll reply back. Ngiyabonga. Nisale kahle.